Question number 1. At what stage of development do most individuals begin to experience significant emotional and physical changes due to puberty? The right answer B. Early adolescence. Question number 2. What is an important factor in the development of healthy relationships during adolescence? The right answer B. Practicing mutual respect and communication. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes sexual identity formation? The right answer B. The development of a person's sense of self in relation to their gender and sexual orientation. Question number 4. Which is a key aspect of understanding consent and relationships? The right answer B. Ensuring clear, enthusiastic, and voluntary agreement from all parties involved. Question number 5. What is a common emotional change that occurs during puberty? The right answer is option B. Heightened and unpredictable emotions. Question number 6. Which of the following is true about emotional development during puberty? The right answer B. Adolescents may experience mood swings due to hormonal changes. Question number 7. What does the term relationship boundaries refer to? The right answer is option B. Limits that both partners agree on to maintain comfort and respect. Question number 8. Why is understanding consent important in relationships? Right answer B. It helps maintain a healthy and respectful relationship. Question number 9. Which hormone is primarily responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics? The right answer B. Testosterone. Question number 10. Which of the following indicates healthy emotional changes during adolescence? The right answer is option B. Developing the ability to express and manage emotions effectively. Question number 11. What is one way to effectively manage emotional changes during puberty? The right answer B. Engaging in regular physical activity and practicing mindfulness. Question number 12. What is an essential component of a healthy romantic relationship? The right answer be open and honest communication between partners. Question number 13. Which of the following best represents the concept of gender identity? The right answer is option B. A person's internal sense of their gender, whether male, female, both, or neither. Question number 14. What is the best way to ask for consent in a relationship? Right answer B. Asking directly and making sure the partner feels comfortable to express themselves. Question number 15. What emotional change is commonly observed during puberty? The right answer B. Experiencing mood swings and heightened sensitivity. Question number 16. Which of the following statements about consent is true? The right answer is option B. Consent can be revoked at any time. Question number 17. Why is developing empathy important during adolescence? The right answer B. It improves social connections and understanding of others' perspectives. Question number 18. What is one of the key purposes of puberty? The right answer is option B. To prepare the body for reproductive maturity. Question number 19. Which of the following is a healthy way to handle disagreements in a relationship? The right answer be listening to each other's perspectives and finding a compromise. Question number 20. Which of the following accurately describes puberty? The right answer is option B. A developmental stage marked by rapid physical, emotional, and hormonal change.